Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Windows search is not working on your Windows. So that means you cannot access your Windows search because this is not working. So what can we do to fix it? You have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for personalization. Click on taskbar. Here you need to make sure that the search is turned on your Windows. Like you can simply search from here. It's either search box, search icon and label, search icon only, but do not hide it. So once this is ensured, close this window. Then go ahead and the start button, make a right click. Then you have to select task manager. Now maximize it. Simply search for the search and you'll find it here. Make a right click, select and task. And then look for the Explorer, search for Explorer. Make a right click, select Restart. Close this window and wait for all the icons on the taskbar to be back. And after that, you just need to simply try on the Windows search bar and this will work this time. Now for the next method is we have to click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and you will find this one, searching Windows. Then you have to scroll down and you'll find advanced indexing options. Click on advanced, click on rebuild, click on OK, and wait for some time until the process is done. Now once done, you can simply close this window. Just simply click on the close button, but since it is still not done or completed, then we cannot click on the close button. So let's just wait in a while. Now it's done. So we have 5,151 items in text. Click on close. And after that, just try to go ahead in the Windows search bar and access it. Then for the next method is we have to make sure that the Windows search service is running. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type services. Click on services under the best match. Scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows search. Make a right click, select properties, startup type, that should be automatic. Service status, you need to make sure this is running, so click on start, click on apply, click on OK, and then close this window. And after that, you just need to see or open the search bar and access into it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.